had this one client just recently canceled on the day of an open house. And I want to tell you how important open houses are, especially the first week of your listing. Is the first 2 weeks of a listing going live is very, very important. Don't cancel an open house. You have to be committed into selling your home, unless there's just emergency, family emergency or something. Don't cancel the open house because it's advertised on HAR, it's advertised on Zillow. Potential buyers are looking for open houses to go look at, and they're scheduling in their day, and they've mapped it out to go see this house. Yours is probably going to be one of them. And so by all means, help me help you by continuing on with your commitment to sell your home and your commitment to the open house.